by Jaynie and 10B2. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance all 8 walls of the dance since the tag happens on the end of wall 6 so that you know how it flows so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Santa Baby. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side, touch our left next to our right. You're going to bump your left hip up and down. You're now going to quickly step to the left, touch your right next to your left, bump your right hip up, down. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, rocking forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing that step to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. We're now going to point our right toe to the right side, step our right next to our left, point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your jazz box quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to walk forward, stepping right, left, right. We're now going to do a half hitch, turning over our right shoulder, hitching your left knee up to face 9 o'clock, weight staying on your right foot. You're now going to walk forward, left, right, left, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a V step. So you're going to step your right foot into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, right foot back center, left next to your right. We're now going to sway our hips back and forth, right, left, left. And you're going to keep your feet exactly where they were when you finished. Weight will be split between both feet, and you're going to sway your hips back and forth, keeping your feet close together. You'll end the dance with your weight on your left, ready to start all over again with your hop to the right. So let's try that with some counts, doing your V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to step to the right. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're hopping to the right. So it's side touch, hip bump, side touch, hip bump, right rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with a cross, point step together, point step together. Now walk, right, left, right, half hitch, walk, 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 touch, V step, out, out, in, sway hips, right, left, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing that quick step to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to come at the end of wall 6. You'll dance the full 32 counts. So you'll start facing 9 o'clock, dance the full 32 counts to bring you to 6 o'clock. We have a 4 count tag. So you'll finish your hip sways, weight will be on your left. We're going to step forward with our right foot, and you're going to do a 3 count half pivot over your left shoulder, slowly turning from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, putting your weight onto your left foot, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. That will become wall 7. Wall 7, when we are dancing it, has a little bit of a timing change. You want to make these hips a little bit slower so that you can go into wall 8. But let's try that tag with some counts. We just finished our sways. You're going to step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready to start over again with your touch and bump. You'll dance wall 7 all the way through. When you come to the end of wall 7, the music's going to slow down a little bit. You kind of have to adjust so that you can hop to the side, hitting the beat. So you just want to make sure that you're doing those hip sways a little bit slower so that you can hop onto the heavy beat that will happen to start wall 7. You'll then dance wall 7 all the way through, and then we're going to dance wall 8. On wall 8, you are going to change the last 8 counts so that you end facing 12 o'clock. So wall 8 will be here. After you do your slower sways, we're going to dance 24 counts before we change anything. So let's dance those 24 counts. You're starting with your hop to the right, so it's and hop and bump and hop and bump, rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with a cross. Now your point step, now walk, 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 hitch, walk, 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 touch. You'll now be facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do very similar to what we do already to end the 32 counts, but we're going to change that V step. So instead of doing your V step, we're going to step out, out, right, left to the side. So you're going to step your right foot out to the side, left foot out to the side. You're going to step your right foot forward. We're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to step our right next to our left and start our sways right, left, left. And then there's like one extra count before the song ends, and I just like to push my hip out to the side. It will hit the final beat in the song. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our walk with a touch. So you're going to do your out, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. And that will be your end of the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance all 8 walls so that you can practice the transition from the tag into the next wall as well as your ending. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our hop to the right. So it's side touch, hip bump, side touch, hip bump, rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with a cross, point step together, walk, 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 half hitch, walk, 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 touch, V step. Now your hip sways, right, left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side touch, hip bump, rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with a cross, point step together. Now your walk, 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 half hitch, walk, 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 touch, V step, hip sways, right, left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side touch, hip bump, rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with a cross, point step together, walk, right, half hitch, left, touch, V step, out, and in. Now your hips. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do your tag step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over side touch, hip bump, rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with a cross, point step together. Now your walk, 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 half hitch, walk, 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 touch a V step. Now slow your hips down. It's hip, 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 hip. This is going to be your final wall. At the end of this wall, you're going to change the last 8 counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change your ending. Out, out. Step, half pivot, hips, right, left. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rare demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Santa Baby. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.